Hi traders, this is Aftab and you are watching Aftab Forex YouTube channel. Thank you so much everyone for joining me. In this video, I am going to discuss gold US dollar for 11th July 2023. Before I proceed further, I want to ask you how all of you are doing. I hope you must have booked some nice profits today as a day trader obviously. The last analysis on the gold US dollar, if you see, is all the way right here. I'm currently following this 1723 impulsive wave, which got completed, and since then we are on this corrective structure towards 61.8% retracement of this Fibonacci zone right here, which is obviously near 1911 was my overall zone, and finally I have got bottom low near 1893 where my stops were obviously below 1880 level. So this week, first of all, I want to tell you really nicely and quickly that this trend I'm currently following, it was expected right here. From right here I'm following a nice profits, and in the weekly forex forecast this weekend in the gold strategy and analysis for 10th July, you will find the link of the video in the description. So in that video I clearly gave you this one setup right here, which worked actually very nice today. Let me show you very clearly right here so that anyone who have any problem may clearly understand it. So currently at the moment there is this move available in the market to trade, and it is pointing towards, and this is obviously a daily setup I should say. Maybe tomorrow it can happen, maybe the day after tomorrow. So this is overall it is showing me, but since this is like a daily forex forecast and I mainly focuses on that, okay, if someone tries to make something on intraday some profits and on the daily basis some profits, so for those traders I definitely will be explaining this in detail. Most probably I will try to keep the words simple. Here if you remember, there was a nice pattern we had right here, even a triangle pattern you can call it, which we have got like a break of structure right here. From right here the new story began, and we finally have got a break of this one, and this was the retest of the triangle. If you see, if I completed triangles I have discussed on the pound dollar as well, I will be updating you about that, but that 350 pips of trading plan is still valid. Let's see how it turns out to be on the pound dollar. I will be discussing that tomorrow morning. For now, if we see, this is clearly approaching 1945.59. There is some fundamental activity which definitely I will discuss tomorrow. Anyone who is holding any sell position, well, I cannot say anything specifically right here personally, publicly, but I can create a situation. Let's say if I am in a sell on gold US dollar from 1915, and let's say I am a long-term trader, then obviously I say that if I'm holding a sell trade from right here and the market is all the way right here, tomorrow morning maybe, and during the Asian session when a new candle opens, there is one opportunity I have, and definitely that I want to communicate to you. There was one level with us today, there is 1927 right here, and if you see, the market reacted very nicely right here. Now if price is going to break it or not, specifically if I talk about tomorrow the London session, well, nobody can say that it's going to break it, right? If we see the symptoms and the overall structure, it seems it's going to break it. So for fresh entries as a buy, I will recommend definitely 1918.25 can become a very nice intraday and daily buy trade setup, and this particular one will have 61 pips of SL, and obviously the TP can go more than 173 and 180 pips, more than that even. but let's say if you executed a trade, this recent resistance will be very nice. That overall depends on the trader how much profit they want to get. 160 pips it will be giving it right here, 83 pips it will be giving it right here. So if I say, like, no doubt it is going till 1945, but as we go down to the time frames, like from the daily to the H4 to the H1 to the M15, the difficulty levels a little bit increases because we get new levels and new levels and new levels. But if you understand the strategy very nicely and the price action a little bit, then it should not be a problem for you. So with that said, this 15-minute time frame, if we see the structures look like that during like, this is my just like sixth sense, you can say, or maybe just the graphical representation of these candles at the moment. So it seems as if it is going to close above. So I will not be worried about that personally, because I'm anyways holding a buy position and I'm bullish. All of you know, from one end, like from almost 1 month, I'm now since when this whole move started, from right here, from like the start of May, then June, we traded this whole impulsive wave down. Then my eyes were on 1911. Definitely we have got that. So whenever I get these pullbacks, I will try to add one more position just in case. I can maybe add one intraday right here, but I would like maybe to stream that live and take it live with you tomorrow in the New York session. If I specifically talk about this little price action right here, well, sort of like I can say a higher high it represents, and a very weird type of structure it is. But if I connect these lines, and the very first strategy on my channel, that was obviously the trend line. So maybe I see 1923 somewhere, it can range right here. Tomorrow in the London session, if I'm available, I can make the image further clear for all of you. But at the moment, this is what it is. If I sum up everything to all of you, on gold US dollar, from 1911 till 1980, I'm clearly bullish. Obviously several breakout points it gives me, and I trade them, right? You know my trading style. So overall, my intentions are everything bullish on the gold, and this will be a lucky trade if it come back down till here, 71 pips, right here target. 1918 can be the entry point. Let me actually add this line right here, so it will make the work easy for me tomorrow when I will be live streaming it. So first, I will highly appreciate this move if I can get maybe tomorrow morning when I wake up, during the Tokyo and Sydney session, I mean the Asian sessions, we can say. These bearish, I do like the market to drop, and because there are obviously always people who have stuck trades from lower levels upon emotions, those who take the trades one more level, maybe someone who is stuck from here. I shouldn't call it stuck, because 1921 and 1925 not a very big difference on lower lot sizes, but if you have big, definitely uh, yes, this 1918.20 will be a day trade of, and the intraday, maybe in the New York session tomorrow we can catch something. I'm super excited to see what is going to happen next right here, because 1945 is the bottom line. Okay, 1945.59 is a clear level that gold is going to complete most probably tomorrow. London session, New York session, and Sydney is open at this current moment. At this moment right now it is open, and Tokyo will be open in maybe next 2 hours from now. So let's see, I'm so much excited. Try to trade safely. Your friend, your mentor Aftab is always here. Contact me on the WhatsApp number if you need any help. One request I want to give to all of you, those who have smaller accounts, please don't waste your time. Okay, this is not a thing of $50. Yeah, it's okay if you are going to do it for intraday purposes, practice purposes, but and try to take care of the timings a little bit, because sometimes I'm sleeping and most of the people are sending me their charts with losing trades, etc. I don't mind, do send me those, but in the morning. And I'm +5 GMT, so you can do the calculation from 8 a.m. till 11 p.m. You have almost like 14-15 hours. Do contact me, I definitely will help you out. Make sure to leave a like and a thumbs up on the channel. I'll see you tomorrow. Till then, take care of yourself. Goodbye.